Hi there, this is Ean Brodrick from Uncommon Wisdom Daily, and I'm here with Eric Roth of Exeter Resources, and he's just going to tell us about the project that they're working on here in Chile. Eric, maybe you could give my subscribers a overview, just a quick overview of what you folks are actually doing here.
Okay, good morning, Sean. Happy to do so. Look, I can tell you that at the moment we're in the middle. We've just started the field season at Caspiche. We basically started drilling about a month ago. We currently have 4 drill rigs on site. We're at the process of this program will basically be a combination of infill drilling and also stepping out, looking for the size of the system. My specific role in the company, so basically that's the program going forward for the next in terms of the drilling. What we will doing, my assistance or my role in the program basically is we're undertaking scoping studies on both Caspiche and also Cerro Moro in Argentina. And so that means basically what we're looking at is we're looking at all the parameters in terms of how we would take this forward, mining economics, etc., etc. So we'll have a very busy season ahead, that's for sure.
Okay, why is this really such a important project?
Look, it's a major discovery. It's a huge discovery. We're talking about one of the biggest discoveries in Chile in recent years. It's in a very well-endowed district. There's a couple of big projects nearby. Refugio, which is the producing mine to the north, and Cerro Casale to the east, to the southeast. So it's a huge discovery, and obviously for Exeter, it's been a wonderful discovery, a superb greenfields discovery. I mean, really a credit to the Exeter team.
And so what you'll have to do over the next couple of years, really have to drill to prove up what you have there, right?
That's absolutely correct. So look, what we'll have to do is this year the season is actually relatively short. We do have to stop in the winter just for snows because it is an exploration stage project. But we do expect to drill about 20,000 meters this year until, let's say, about May next year. As I mentioned, it'll be a combination of step-out drilling to look for the size of the deposit and also infill drilling to basically increase our confidence in basically taking those inferred resources in the high-grade core up to indicated status. So basically we're improving the confidence of the known resource all the time and also stepping out and looking for the size, the scale.
Right, so you have 19 million ounces in inferred ounces of gold, and you just want to prove that up, basically, to get that. But also, you don't even know how large this is yet. This is open on 3 sides and stuff, right?
You're absolutely correct, and that's one of the focuses of this current drill program, is that we will be looking at, obviously, doing those step outs and seeing how large the system is. So this year's campaign will basically be twofold. We'll be looking at both the step out. It is a huge discovery. It's about 19 million ounces, also close to 5 million pounds of copper, so it's a major discovery. It's a very, very, very big discovery here. So.
Right. One thing that I would like to emphasize to subscribers is it's still very early stage. They're not even sure what kind of mine they might actually build here. It might be open pit, might be underground, might be a combination of both. You were saying you might start with an open pit mine and then do underground once you prove where the high-grade resource is, right?
That's great, Sean. Look, where we are at the moment, it's still early days, but the initial mining studies we've done, there is an oxide cap which has about 1.6 million ounces at this point. That could be a good starter pit for an operation. Then as we look at the bigger resource, the sulfide resource, then we have to look at the scenarios, and we're running the numbers now in terms of what the best options are, is either the mega pit, the mega open pit to take all the sulfide ore out, or whether we do the underground scenario. And that's precisely where I'm working on at the moment. So that's precisely what I'm doing with the scoping studies.
Great. Well, that should wrap it up. Thanks very much for taking the time. My subscribers will love to see this. I appreciate it.
Great. Pleasure. Thanks a lot.